Question 7 says Ari is buying taco shells for a party. Okay, so let's interpret this. There will be 13 adults and 17 children attending the party. So let's do our columns. We have 13 adults, okay, and then we have 17 children. Okay, so there's our two columns. Now it says she plans to make 3 tacos for each adult, so that means that we're going to have to multiply by 3 because each adult is going to get 3 tacos each. And then she's going to give 1 taco to the kids. So that's a simple right there. That would be just a simple 17. Now, there's 8 taco shells in each package. So now we have a package and there's 8. So in other words, that one package can serve 8 tacos. So Ari will need to buy, so the question says how many packages of taco shells is she going to need to buy for all the people that are attending? So let's look at it. First thing we have to do is we're going to have to do 13 times 3, okay? And then we're going to have to do 17 times 1, or just simply multiply by, or not multiply, but simply add the 17 kids so that we can buy enough taco shells. So they're more than likely we're going to multiply those two, and we're going to get an answer. So that's going to give us the taco shells needed for the adults. And then if you simply multiply the 17 tacos that we need for the children, that's going to give us a total amount of tacos needed. Okay? And then we know that 8 come, in one container, and they want to know how many packages do we have to buy. How many of these packages in order to serve all the people in their taco, and how many total tacos we're serving. So let's look at we have our data that we've evaluated. Now we need to go and see the answer. What would be the answer? So the first one says that the answer would be 7 because we're going to multiply 13 times 3, which is what we did, and then we're going to add 17, which is what we did, and we're going to divide by 8, which is what we did. So that's a possible answer. The second one says 28 because we're going to take 13 and we're going to multiply by 17. So we're going to take children and we're going to multiply them with, we're going to take adults and we're going to multiply them with children. That does not make sense one bit. Why are we going to take people and multiply them with people? H. So we're going to take 13 and we're going to add 17. Okay? So we're going to take the people and the children, we're going to put them together. And then we're going to multiply by 8. I don't know why, because we're not feeding them 8 tacos each. And then we're going to divide by 3, which does not make sense at all because the 3 has to do with the 3 tacos that are being served to each adult. Crazy. Next one, 13 plus 17. Okay, so we're going to add the adults with the children. And then it says here that they're going to clearly eat 3 tacos each. We know that that is totally bogus because the children are getting 1 taco only. So that's totally wrong. Your answer is F.